We only got one life, and it sucks though. So we light a candle for the peeps we lost though. Joseph Ugu was my cousin, he was starting something. Had a daughter, had a wife, he was starting something. See, life is a stage and we're struggling and we're acting. And my cousin, he was winning, he was smiling, not lamenting. And then the land case came. On top in Papa land, foolish woman won't claim. No be say he cripple, no be say he lame. Okada know they run BRT, so madam stay your lane. But life is cruel when you too good. Now that woman now
is working, no work this match. Driving up your belly like a punching bag. You talk shit, now to give you an uppercut, that's a boxing jab. But since it's known to chicken out, he's gone. We take his chicken out like crunchies bags. Fuck yoga. He should come down for torture lessons or get his arms stretching like condom dresses. This nigga's so dense, I have the force of press him because I got a big gun. Now if it goes boom, there's a big hole in his head like his girlfriend left him. His paws are flexing. But see, it's a bully plan for the stupid fag. Can't give a fuck about a Jewish rap. Nah, he say he's nice, but they were collecting what play to save his life. So I come in with Hades knives. Caught like a movie cast and movie cast. But him moving from bars to bars shows truly he's finished. I'm here to bully the gimmick against HBK, speak about how he's going to minutes, but on what plays like trend setting for transcending, luxury for luxury, choosing for so many word plays that I got at the movies and clinic. So putting his mimic. He was sitting niggas rapping. He like, rah, I'm Sable Blinks, and they got in face. He get bumped each day, and they grew up in place. Or I mock his race, and I punch his monkey face. Or I fuck the lane, and nigga pause. Why am I feeling so many hands and alls like logic gate? So stop it, mate. I had the monkey stapled, we lost it settled. Battle come down to the wire, if it comes with cables. Check BRN rankings, this one disabled. Cause if I couldn't make a top 20 in a periodic table. In your past, bro, spoke about on how you Charlie and your boss before him. Then against Flames, said you're gonna use clips to blast the ocean. That got me wondering, why are you so obsessed with the man? Because even if you play for Southampton, nigga, you will never be Charlie. Austin, I put a lad in the coffin for trying to flex muscles and smash his tendons. My fans, got me blessed up. A move to this MI blast this vector. Trying to get under my nose, then these blades will give me a clean shave like barbing sessions. I'm largely vexed, bro. It was a pretty one-set battle, a super statement. Wanna hang out with me? I have blue gas spraying, 2 guys aiming, pistol whoop his ass, and shotgun busting. Boom, boom, boom. So you're gonna see 30 pieces of silver like Judas payment. Then it's passing overseas, you see guys Captain America like our Avengers. You get this Iron Man like Carl Greatest. My bass player, he rapping up beats was a move to catch his breath and have his long shot like Park Rangers. Body bags well teller. He comes with a needle. No pep talk. I have a soft spot for the people. Storm this Man City. Pull out gloss on the niggle. How am I going to attack on both flanks? One shot from the left, other from the right. It's going to be crossfire. And Saber getting caught in the middle. Why it's trying to make your bars be proper? I got gas revolvers to blast the popper. Cause flow, or they put a price on your head. And I'm a bounty hunter. Time.
Hey yo, just when I thought it was perfect time for me to pen down my name in BRS history, Flow Show passed me paper. Y'all get the imagery? Now let me put you out through. Deforestation causes climate change, and one reason why trees are being cut down is to produce paper. But that has to stop. Think Pink sleep at the banking hall. This paper is going in a box. You know your taxi clan hyped you. Said you were better on paper. I do my gambles online. If I was here, I wouldn't bet on paper. Your name is Emmanuel, right? But your name will save you from this danger. But that just makes me King Herod. Because I'm going after this baby in the manger. When I heard this nigga's voice, I took a little space. Went online to check your Facebook page. Was hoping to see something like Biggs or Flow Show's face. But got disappointed when I saw your baby face. Boy, you look like Ryder with the voice of Jack Boy Main. That's insane. Like a true hustler. I'm in the street searching for paper. Pokemon Go. Seen the beach nigga. He dead it. Knife out. Did I just Pokemon Go? Nah. Bullet in the Nina, a pregnant bitch, they kick different. Got his tools banging on his chest like we're losing the patient. Show up with my dogs, they won't let your fault slide. They bank on me cause I control the paper. You will get a K9 if you thought my Ross charge. Hold up, I said, dogs, bank on me, paper, K9, Ross charge. Y'all catch that later. Grab him by the neck, screaming, Texas, is this your king? Little boy wonder, you buy your state of mind. I will let this T'Challa like I was a Black Panther. Walked in the funeral. Picked in his casket just to see if the suit fits. His whole family dressed in all black like the Akasukis, Mashuda's Italian. They only get the info with the Italian talk sound, big shirts, robot moves. That's a cover up for the top 9. See, I'm not here to drag shots with you. cause your arrow ain't equivalent to what I've backed for you. I'm only here to spit fire. Imagine Dragons on the Imagine Tour. I'm going on a date with these two niggas. Relationship is menage a trois. Your voice could put niggas to sleep. So as soon as you called me out, I said it's a date. Hold up. I said your voice could put niggas to sleep. It's a date. My shooter's good with abbreviation. Translation, they're good at squeezing text. No need to transfer protocol. In this web, we move with text. Signal my headers with the markup language. Translation, that's to hypertext. See, you're good on MLG. Their text is here. No need for the nostalgia. This clip is for you alone. But if your clan jumps in, I'll let this long nostalgia dig some background checks on you. Reason why I came correct. Since you've been good with text, this long nose quick to react. Auto correct. Nigga, I don't care if you've been battling since 08. Your girl's pussy familiar from mainland to island. That shit wider than toll gate. Ironic how your name Emmanuel and paper. So I will treat this like pen priest and black G's. What I have penned down will send your soul to black Jesus. That made easy with the ad lib. I'll pull up with my goons. If you catch him in broad daylight, it's a bet. Ironclad feast. We'll be rock paper. I don't care who sees us. Flow show. Send me my cash. I don't mean a minute later. I guess I'm still that 21st century businessman. Because I'm using paper to make paper. Damn, bitch.